What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Sleeping on your bedroom floor, I let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projecting and I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. So I wanna pinky swear I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? So I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best. Now I'm getting existential with my digital pets. I can't believe I care, but what a weird state of affairs. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding some?
I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new, and I can never be blue when it's me and you. More times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life. We worked hard and we made it through. There's nothing in this world that we can't do when it's me and you. I want this forever, can you be my girl? I want you to know you're my whole damn world. My whole damn world. Whoa, I would live it at least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life. Remember working hard just to keep on the lights. Remember stealing from the Tootsie Roll jar just to have some Del Taco nights. That's right. Remember living life two of a kind. Remember Simba sitting at the front door of Greenleaf just to greet with the bite. In 2003, we became three. 2 years more, we became four. Who could ask for more? Yes, we had love, yes, we were complete. We had our little house on Holliston Street. Man, life is sweet. Looks like it's gonna be you and me. Two little birds flying from our tree. Well, I'll be here right by your side. Two free birds going for a ride. Doesn't that sound nice?